Our identities are defined by our exterior characteristics. That's what we've learned, right? And these are grouped in three categories, directly correlating to the three tools of our colonial white supremacist system: racism, sexism, and ableism. The color of our skin defines the assumptions people make about our race identity. 2. Our gender identifiers define us as a woman or a man, or God forbid, something on the spectrum. But give it one of the letters of the alphabet and we know at least how to think about you. 3. The way you move differently sparks pity or other inappropriate responses like, "Oh, what happened to you?" This is what makes mobility an experience, how you are treated based on how you move. Mobility means wind in your face, being able to do the things you love, go on walks with friends or family, navigate a city independently, feel good about yourself, feeling free to move without stigma or pity. I invented the Alinker 3-wheeled walking bike that is so cool that people would love to use it and are now the ones on that cool bike. It challenges people's assumptions about what disability might look like. It challenges the person who meets the person on the Alinker instead of targeting the person with disabilities. Mobility is an emotional experience and one for everybody. 25 out of each 100 people live with disabilities, some visible, some not. 15 out of each 100 people live with disabilities that affect their mobility. People with disabilities are the largest minority in our society, but are we not just mortal humans with a body that has characteristics beyond our control? What we can control, though, is the choice who we want to be, not the body with exterior characteristics. Who do you want to be? A kind person or an asshole? That is a choice, and you are in full control. Alinker users are amazing people because they were confronted with a system that no longer serves them, and they had to figure out who they are, who they want to be beyond their appearance. The Alinker itself is a bridge, a vehicle for change, to feel yourself again, to be mobile and alive, and to bridge social divides between people with and without disabilities. Mobility is medicine that goes well beyond the physical body. Mobility is an experience, an emotion, a sensation, and on a Alinker, people can feel that again.